Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Car here. I'm at the airport right now. I got some very, very important information for y'all. Right now, it's gonna be vital if you're trying to leave Colombia. Trust me, I know. So, let me just get into today's events. Go ahead, hit the like and comment and subscribe. All right, definitely hit the like, especially if you find this info useful. Maybe you didn't know this, maybe you already did know this, but I just found out the hard way basically. So if you're trying to leave Colombia and go to the United States, you do need a COVID test. Just to be clear, this is January 30th, so right now I'm at the airport and I missed my flight because I was waiting on a COVID test. Actually, I found out we needed a COVID test when I tried to check in on the app, and it wouldn't let me check in. It just said go to the gate because you need a test. And so I showed up. I went to the gate, but actually I went to go get a test right when I found that out at it was like 11 o'clock. And so I went to this testing center by me, and I got a test. It was supposed to be a fairly rapid test. They quoted me 3 hours, and it took about 3.5. So I unfortunately missed the flight. So I'm waiting right now to get booked on tomorrow's flight, hopefully, and that would be great. And yeah, but at least the test, I just got it. Literally, I just got the test right after I missed the flight. Like, it's so stereotypical of Colombia and me. Not of Colombia, but more of me in Colombia. And yeah, man, so y'all make sure that if you're trying to leave and go back to the States, I'm not sure if it's everywhere, but specifically on American Airlines, you need a COVID test to get on the plane, so to even check in. And I got the test now, but it was just a little bit too late, so I'm gonna have to go tomorrow. But I just wanted to let you guys know, just in case anyone's trying to leave, have plans on leaving. It's very important that you get that test. I can recommend one good testing center on Avenida Poblado, right across from the San Fernando Plaza. Look up San Fernando Plaza, and then it's like it says it's on the corner. It says drive-in COVID test. They're quick. I just didn't have enough time. They got my test back to me like 30 minutes after it was too late. So it's my fault. But yeah, man, I got one more day in Colombia for now. Stay tuned. American Airlines, this is where you have to come to change your flight. It's on the, I think it's on like the first floor. It's under the ticketing booth. It's like one floor under the ticketing booth. It's like the office. So she told me to come back in 10 minutes and then we'll do, I guess the boss that has to do it isn't there yet. So I have to come back in 10 minutes. And hopefully we can get this shit done so I can dip. But yeah. Weird vibes in the airport right now in Medellin. It's so quiet. It's never been like this. I'm gonna just go up a flight. I'm gonna go up on the second level real quick just to kill some time because I don't like to sit down. So I'm gonna just go up to the second floor with y'all real quick. Why not? You see how dead the airport is in Medellin. So I guess they don't change the flights at the ticket booth no more. I missed plenty of flights, and usually they'll just change your ticket right there at the ticketing booth, but they didn't do that today. So back on the main floor, where you get your tickets. Check-in hall B. That's where American Airlines was. Looks like they changed it to airplane. This was Avianca earlier. So I guess they changed it around a lot. Let's walk around over here. Sorry, I'm not using my stabilizer, but I hope it's okay. I think I'm gonna grab a coffee too. I'm tired. I was up last night like super late working on some stuff, so grab a coffee real quick. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Buenas, bienvenido.
¿Tienes un vanilla latte?
Latte, cappuccino. Frío, caliente.
Frío.
Frío.
Vanilla. Grande.
O granizado.
No, no granizado.
Señor,
No granizado.
no latte frío.
Sí. Y una rolito de canela.
Caliente.
Sí, porfa. Just get some food, man. I'm starving. I thought I was gonna eat while I wait for the plane, but I never got the opportunity. I didn't make it. But I'm about to just pay for this and then be right back.